If you love the taste of Chile rellenos but don't like the idea of deep frying them, or maybe you're trying to eat a little healthier and protein heavy, then you need to try this recipe. First, we're going to make a salsa chicken. I'm just using my favorite jarred salsa. You can use any type of salsa that you like, even if it's homemade, and just cook 2 chicken breasts with a little bit of salt and pepper for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to rinse my poblano peppers. Try to get them all around the same size and make sure they're kind of big so that way you can stuff them with a lot of chicken. Roast them under a broiler or on a gas stove until they start to blister, and then place them into a bowl or a plastic bag and let them steam for just 5 minutes. Don't let them steam too long because then it's harder to peel. I feel like 5 minutes is the sweet spot. These are still kind of hot, but I wanted to show you so you can see the skin easily comes off. When they get too soft, then it can be a little bit harder to go ahead and peel. So go ahead and do that to all the poblano peppers, and once they look like that, they are done. And then I'm just going to cut a little slit and then remove the seeds. For whatever reason, I was having a lot of trouble removing these seeds, so I decided to just remove as much as I can, and then I'm just going to rinse them off with water. I know this takes a little bit of the flavoring. If you don't mind the seeds, then that's totally fine, but since my family and my kids were going to be eating this, I just wanted to remove the seeds. And look at all those seeds that came out of the peppers. All right, make sure the poblano peppers get nice and dry, and then I'm just releasing the steam from the salsa chicken. Go ahead and shred it into a bowl, and I like to add a little bit of the juice to give it some more flavor. And then we're going to season it with some salt. Add 1 cup of Greek yogurt and about half a cup of shredded cheese. Give that a mix and taste it again for seasoning. And now I'm just going to get a baking dish, spray it with a little bit of oil, and place my poblano peppers with the cut side up. Once they're all in there, go ahead and fill them in with the chicken. I did about 2 heaping spoonfuls into each one, just until all of the mixture was used up. And then add a little bit of shredded cheese on top of each one. Now we're going to place the poblanos into the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes just so they can heat up. And then I like to turn the broiler on for about 1 to 2 minutes. So then the top and the cheese gets nice and golden. And then you can serve them with a little bit more salsa on top, or you can even do some sour cream or Mexican crema, some sliced onions. And it's just such a satisfying, high protein, filling meal. You can also serve it with a side of beans, which is what I did too. Mexican rice would also be another great side dish option.
So good. Creamy, cheesy, smoky from the poblano. You have to give this one a try.